slept. And now we're running late.
Thank you. Have a good day. We have made it to Maria Island.
So excited to be here.
And we haven't even left the docks yet. Look, nobody's around. Everyone's left to go do their adventures. And we're still here taking shots because...
This has got to be the most beautiful beach we've ever seen.
It is incredible.
The water is so clear. But for those of you who don't know, Maria Island is a World Heritage listed island off the coast of Tasmania. It is completely untouched, so much wildlife, no cars and no shops. So
Nothing.
First thing today, we're on our way to pick up some bikes so we can get around a bit.
I'm glad Megan did her research because I wouldn't have been able to tell you that. But look at it. Look at it. All right, we got our bikes and we're off. Are you all right?
Yeah, okay. So, I'm not very good at riding a bike, and the last time I rode one was on Rottnest Island, and I needed about half an hour of practice time to get used to it. And they just made us ride up and down to make sure we could do it, and I was very embarrassed.
I used to ride bikes every single day in my teenage years, so I'm pretty confident. I'll be the one that crashes.
Our first stop today is going to be the Painted Cliffs.
Painted Cliffs. You have to be there by 10:30, I remember now. So, uphill. We just did that 16-kilometre hike yesterday. Our legs are killing. We're not even 2 minutes in, and she's already walking the bike. Look at that view, Megan. It's incredible.
Look at this! Oh my gosh!
I think we've got incredibly lucky with the weather today.
Oh my gosh, the weather's amazing. And I never would have said that coming from Perth, that a 14-degree day is amazing. But it's amazing. So we made it to the Painted Cliffs, and the reason we were sort of rushing here is because the lady at the info centre said to come around 10:30. I'm guessing something happens with the sunlight on the rocks.
Yeah.
Sort of like an echidna chasm sort of thing.
We're about to
I'm
find
guessing.
out.
We'll see, I guess.
If we haven't missed it.
No, we're right on time.
Oh, perfect. 10:30 you're meant to be here. We haven't walked on a beach like this for months. Hey, over 6 or 7 months.
I've never walked on a beach like this. It's just so amazing.
Pristine.
Why 10:30 was the time to go there, because it was just all covered in shadow, so I'm not sure. I reckon sunset would be the time to go there, because the sun would be there and it would be like golden light on the rocks.
Yes,
so insider tip.
Well, we don't,
even though I have no idea.
We don't actually know, so don't listen to us, do your research.
And we won't be finding out because we're back on the ferry way before sunset.
Yeah, alright, next stop, we need to spot some wildlife.
You know what I actually think I need to do is dip my feet in that water.
You're going to go dip your feet?
I have to, I can't not.
Definitely. Go on. I'm going to do it as well.
Really?
Oh, but then we'll have wet socks.
Maybe I'll dip my finger.
Go dip your finger in the water.
Oh my gosh, it's like warm.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow, look at it. Oh, it's beautiful. Incredible, eh?
I know I said 14 degrees felt warm to me, but it's still not warm enough for a swim.
It's pretty cold. Alright, let's go spot some wildlife, eh?
Yes.
That's what this island's known for. There's 3 things we want to see. Echidna, wombat, obviously, and a turbo chook.
Well, like, isn't it called a something goose?
I can't remember,
or is
but
that a different animal? Because there's a goose that has a weird honk on
yeah,
this
that's
island
the
as
turbo
well.
chook.
Okay, so they're the same thing.
I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong. But
I guess we'll find out if we find a turbo chicken that has a weird honk.
Apparently they can run 40 kilometres an hour, unless the captain of the ship was pulling our legs. That's fast. spotted an echidna.
And I nearly just went over the handle.
I yelled out, echidna, echidna. And Megan just stacked it. Here it is here. Oh, he's running away, Megan.
Yeah.
Look.
I probably scared him.
There he is there. You just have to be quiet. Look, it's just in there.
That's big.
First bit of wildlife, guys. Oh, this is awesome. Ready, Megan? I think we
Ready to see a wombat.
ready to see a wombat now. I think
And not just the butt.
the butt,
Yeah, that's
the butt of the wombat.
yeah. We saw a wombat in Crater Mountain, but my eyesight is so bad, so I'm hoping we'll see one a bit closer today. But yeah, we got a comment saying travelled all that way just to see a wombat butt. So hopefully that's not the case today.
Yeah. So with the echidna, I think what we've worked out is you have to be very quiet, and I think by just observing them, I think they've got pretty bad eyesight.
Yeah, like me.
Like Megan. So you got to be real quiet. You got to sneak up on them, stay still, and then eventually they'll start moving again. So we've now seen echidnas, cassowaries, kangaroos,
Crocodile.
emus, crocodiles, freshwater, saltwater, platypus, wallabies. There's something else, quokkas.
Oh yeah,
How good's that?
it's pretty crazy.
It's crazy. What else? We haven't seen polar bears, grizzly bears. We've got to see all that still, eh?
Well, that's not Australia.
That's not
I
in
thought we were just
Australia.
listing Australian
But
stuff.
we will see a grizzly bear one day. All right, wombat
Yeah.
time.
Wombat, head, full body,
Full body wombat.
not just a butt.
Wombat. Oh, we spotted a wombat. Megan. There he is. Do you see it?
It's so big and fluffy.
Oh my gosh. Look at him, Megan. That's incredible.
Oh my gosh. Not this time, no.
That all happened within like 2 seconds of seeing the echidna. We've seen a wombat. Now the rules on the island are to stay 2 meters away from all wildlife, which of course we will do. We're not getting too excited.
Even though I would love to pat him.
So always stay 2 meters away from the wildlife. Far out. Look at him, Megan. It's like a Pokemon. Look at you in the middle of the road.
I don't even care.
We have waited so long to see this, guys.
It's like a big guinea pig.
Don't know.
Almost.
I hope they don't attack.
He's chill.
Look at that.
We're friends. Let's name him.
Henry.
I love that.
Henry.
Henry the wombat.
He's so peaceful. Henry's living the dream. Oh, Megan. Get away from him.
Henry.
How good's that? What an experience, eh?
That's nuts.
Goodbye, Henry.
He only cares about his grass.
He loves his grass.
Admirable.
I wonder if they get bigger than that.
I think they might.
Hey?
I don't know. Look at his little butt.
Alright, well, I guess we're going to see some more, aren't we?
Surely.
Maybe because our bucket list ticks just happened so quick just then, maybe we should up it.
Oh, you know what I would really like to see? I did see on Instagram,
What?
like a mama and a baby.
That's exactly what I was going to say.
Is
Yeah.
that really?
Yeah, wombat with a baby.
Um,
There we go. Are we lost?
we went the wrong way.
We've definitely gone. the
Yeah,
wrong
we
way.
got to turn around. We've gone
Do we?
completely the wrong way.
So what else do we want to go see?
Well, we want to go up to the fossil cliffs and
Yeah, we went the wrong way.
yeah. Whoopsie.
Damn it.
All right. Back to the cliffs
We
we
were
go.
just saying we hope we don't have to go up these hills. No.
Well, it's a good thing we stopped just before another massive hill.
Yeah, hill.
So it's a good thing I checked now instead of after we went down here because I'd be struggling.
We might see Henry again.
Oh yeah.
Go. We promise this will be the last time we show you an echidna because they are honestly, they're everywhere. But this one's not budging. He doesn't care, eh?
No, he didn't even flinch when I skidded my bike that time.
He skidded and yelled echidna. But yeah, look at him. They're everywhere. It's the most wildlife we've ever seen. found a baby and its mum, and it's amazing.
That baby is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Oh my gosh, guys. It's incredible. We did it, guys.
I might have sat in poo, but that was so worth it.
That was incredible.
The way they just little trot along. Oh my gosh, this is the best day ever.
The baby's very scared, so you have to be really quiet and definitely
and you can tell the mum's like very protective.
Yeah, you have to keep your distance for sure.
It's brilliant.
That was awesome. We gone the wrong way.
We can go home now.
Yeah, we're done. We can go home.
No, we got a couple more spots we're going to get to, and I'm not sure how far this next one is, but my legs are hurt. We just walked up the biggest hill, and so we have to stop for an apple because have a look at this view. That's just nuts.
It's a fairy tale.
It honestly is a fairy tale.
But we've seen so many spectacular things in Tasmania now. We don't have other words to use.
I know.
Besides nuts, incredible.
Although I kind of like this little tradition that we've formed in Tasmania where every time we see a view like this, we stop to eat a snack.
Yeah, we do. We stop. It's just crazy. I think that's the turbo chicken. That's the turbo chicken. It is, eh?
What's its real name? Something goose.
I'm pretty sure that's what it is. We're racing back to hand our bikes back because we're trying to get on the 2:30 ferry. Do you reckon we're going to make it?
No.
It's 10 past 2 now. We'll just have to race there, Megan. Oh, I'm still recording. Oh, Megan, we've got plenty of time. The line's huge. Megan, look at the line.
I'm so glad because my legs are about to give way. That was like the shortest day ever.
Went quick.
So we just decided we should probably fill up water before we get going any further because we are heading into a national park tomorrow. And I'd say this is probably the most interesting place we've ever
It's definitely interesting.
come to a water tap. But apparently it's drinkable, so it's good enough for us.
So we're going to drink it. This is what we do, guys. We fill up on all kinds of different taps and we've never got sick from it.
Yeah, and I don't know if I said as well, I found it on Wikicamps, and then people leave reviews on that if the water's good to drink. So
this water seemed alright, and we always check it as well.
But this is definitely a first.
This is a first.
Never a cemetery before.
I always do this every time, and I bet you anybody that travels like we do or has been on an extended trip has done this. We get the bloody hose fitting every time I do it. Right, we're going to camp. Are you recording me?
Maybe.
I'm stuffed, guys. We just spent 3 hours looking for a campsite.
Slight over exaggeration.
A little bit. No, 2 hours.
It was third time lucky on the campsite.
It was 2 hours.
Because the first one that I'd originally found that was donation based was Chockers.
We heard that the East Coast is hard to get camping.
Yeah, true. And then I found another one that I thought might be really suitable, and that was full as well. It would have been really nice.
Yeah.
But it was full as well. And now we've come to this boat ramp that is half underwater. And it's really, really windy, so it's going to be interesting to see how we do sleep tonight. Yeah. Although I think we'll just be out like a light anyway.
Little wrap up on Mariah Island. How about that?
Okay.
Let's have a look. Have we got these camera settings right? Whoa, look at me. I'm done. Done, guys. I'm absolutely gone. Mariah Island. Hire push bikes.
Yeah. I was thinking the whole time, like, gosh, we really stuffed up here not getting ourselves some little tents and staying overnight. But I think you can do it in a day.
No, but if you can stay overnight in a tent, stay overnight.
But my main thing was, oh my gosh, the wombats aren't going to come out until dusk, and I really want to see the wombats. And we saw the wombats.
We saw the wombats, guys.
That's okay.
We saw the baby wombat. That was the highlight, eh?
Yeah.
It was just amazing. And seeing such an untouched place as well. So once again, if you're coming to Tasmania, definitely go there.
And it cost us $170.
Yeah, it's a bit
for the day.
I don't know, is that pricey?
Well, I feel like that's what we would pay. We'd pay more to go to Rottnest, I think.
Yeah.
And that was cooler than Rottnest.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, Rottnest.
It was cooler. But anyway, we are exploring the East Coast from now on. So stay tuned for next week. Where are we going?
Freycinet
You can actually see it from here.
National Park.
Yeah, we're gonna do a morning hike. We're going to do another hike tomorrow.
And I hope we get
Sunrise.
energy back.
We're doing a sunrise mission. So far out. Off to bed for us.
Yeah.
Actually, we've got to do some work. So we'll see you next week, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate it.
And we'll see you next time.
See ya. Oh my gosh. This is not easy. Subscribe. I don't think we're meant to be up
We
there.
came the wrong way. Look
It's
at
like-
how clear it is. I can't get over
Hey, it's like Nemo touching the boat.
She touched the butt. Little crack. See, now I feel like I actually have seen a proper butt because I didn't see the crack before.
Is there, I don't think there's a crack in it.
Yeah, but like, you know.
That's Megan's echidna eyesight, guys.
When you think about it, this one's more like a Pokemon.
Yeah.
Because these spikes would be like an attack, you know. Oh my god.
Look, quick. Get a zoom lens out. Get it.